So welcome, Mr. Tatarao. Could you please give your brief introduction?
Yes, sir. I am Tatarao Kalla. You can call me Rao also. I am an engineering graduate from Andhra University in mechanical discipline. Presently, I am working for Visakhapatnam Steel Plant
Wow, that's
as
it.
a deputy general manager.
Wow, very good. So
I
you're
am married, sir.
working in Visakhapatnam Steel Plant as a deputy general manager. Very good. So very good. Since how long have
Uh,
you been working with Vizag Steel Plant, sir?
I have been working for 34 years, sir.
Wow, that's really great. So could you please share about your childhood? Where are you basically from, and where did you have your schooling? And did you have schooling in Telugu medium, or else when did you start English medium? So can you share all these details?
Yes, sir. I was born in a village, Ballipadu, sir. It is near Tanuku.
Mhm.
Then I grown there up to my 12th year.
Mhm.
I had schooling in that village only up to 7th standard.
Mhm.
Then we have moved to another town, sir, that is Tadepilgudem, where I joined in that Jilla Parishad High School
Mhm.
in 8th standard.
Very
I
good.
studied in only Telugu medium,
Wow, very good.
and we have very good playground, so we had very good
Mhm.
physical exercise like shuttle badminton. There itself we used to play shuttle badminton, kabaddi and football.
Perfect.
After passing 10th, actually in 10th, sir, actually we are, as I have been from a village background, I am very much fright
Mhm.
in English
Okay.
language.
Okay.
So in maths, social sciences, Telugu, Hindi, I am very good.
Mhm.
But before I going to this English exam, really, sir, I prayed Lord uh, Venkateswara with a coconut. Then I attended the exam. So I prayed for 35 marks, but luckily I got 53. I was
Wow,
given by
very good.
God
So your
53.
coconut worked out.
Yes, the coconut was worked out. So,
Perfect. So from plus two onwards, intermediate onwards, you might have shifted into
no,
English.
no, no, sir. I have not done intermediate. Then
Mm.
luckily this Ramarao garu,
Mm.
in
Nice.
1984 I passed out from the school, sir.
Mm.
That time Ramarao garu became the chief minister. Till that
Mm.
time to join any professional colleges,
Okay.
that is on based on the recommendation, a little bit
Mm.
recommendation and the marks only. But
Perfect.
he changed that. He started the SEEP, sir, Common Entrance Examination first time.
Perfect.
Then we participated in that. That time I got 67 rank in the state level.
Excellent. So you joined the
Then I joined
polytechnic.
in a diploma engineering, sir. First I joined in the diploma engineering. So
Mm.
after completing the diploma for 3 years, then I joined in engineering college, sir.
Oh, great,
BTech.
great. So the diploma must be in English medium only, I think. Polytechnic.
Diploma was in English medium only.
Very good. So how was your struggle over there? Suddenly shifting from Telugu medium into Polytechnic into English medium. How was
Sir,
that struggle?
not much struggle, sir, because grammar is not a part of the. Okay, we can use was in place of be or
Okay.
has been. So
Yeah.
like that. Okay, our teachers also cooperative. So
Okay.
they don't bother about the grammar. They
Yeah.
only bother about the subject.
Perfect. Perfect.
So that way we managed.
Hmm. Good. So now, why did you take a decision to join this particular course? Now you are comfortably settled. You are working as a deputy GM in Vizag Steel. So now, what motivated you to take up the course for paperless fluency?
Yes, 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 sir. Actually,
Hmm.
I joined this course because in our introduction in that video conference,
Hmm.
he told that subconscious mind, that word influenced me like anything, sir.
Perfect.
Because
Perfect.
we can do wonders with our subconscious mind. I used to teach my down below people also
Okay.
because everything, whatever is there in the subconscious mind, automatically it flows out.
Very
So
good.
that word attracted towards you, sir, really. And
Perfect.
I want to develop a good English communication.
Perfect. Because
That
learning is
is
a
the job.
continuous process. There is no age limit for that. At any point of time, one can
Yes,
learn.
yes, yes, sir.
Good thing.
Actually, always I have a what you call my
Desire.
younger son, that
Uh,
Akhil.
uh,
Hey, what is English you are having? Like that,
uh.
you used to hear me.
Perfect.
So,
Perfect. So now, how do
okay,
you feel, sir? Now, today is our 22nd day in our journey of our
yes.
paperless fluency. Now, how has been your journey? How do you feel with this paperless fluency course so far?
Sir, really, I enjoyed the class, sir.
Hmm.
Also, now I got some confidence.
Perfect.
Okay, we can open up because I told you, no, sir, yesterday also,
Yeah.
when our higher ups have come, we simply listen. We will not open our mouth.
Okay.
So now I dare to open my mouth.
Perfect.
Yes, I started with the thanking you only, sir. Thanking you for coming to my department and complimenting us. Like that, I
Hmm.
started and I told some technical issues. So because for
Hmm.
telling technicians, there is no problem, sir. Well,
Yes.
how to start is the main problem.
Yes.
Like
Exactly.
this questioning, you have
Yes.
given so many questions. I have gone through all those things. The
Perfect.
questioning is the main importance. How to start the questioning.
Perfect. Perfect.
Yes, yes.
Great. Great. So, coming to our title, paperless fluency, we have been saying. Now, is this a title justified? So, there is no pen and
Yes,
paper.
sir. Very much justified, sir.
Perfect.
Because you have designed the course, you
Hmm.
have designed the course in such a way, one after one. Because first I don't understand why all these one way these are simple things. But
Yeah.
now we are understanding because that ability, live action, routine, then past completed action,
Very good.
future planned action. All those things is having a meaning. Now we are understanding that meaning.
Wow, wonderful, wonderful. Now, coming to the last question, sir. So, in our class sessions, you might have observed, we have got people from different parts of the country. People are from Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, and different walks of life, different professions, different industries, different age groups. So, how
Yes.
is this particular experience?
It's very nice, sir. Very nice because we are dealing with so many people.
Yeah,
Actually, last 15 days, I am last 15 days, sir, last 10 days because of some coal crisis. We are really busy with our official
yeah, yeah,
duties. That is why I could not spend much time with my team. Actually, this Dr. Sarvan Murali
yeah.
actually used to approach me for this conversation, etc. But I
Perfect.
am not able to give time also.
Hmm.
Now, okay, the things are scheduled to some extent. So now we can start tomorrow onwards. I have to start with my teammates. That is
Perfect.
really enjoyable. And this
Great.
Uday Kumar Garu also is giving a lot of support.
Hmm.
Uh, Whenever we are having some doubts, he will answer immediately, sir. So like that, people helping us to develop further.
So this creating the small teams, accountability buddies. So that is working out, right?
Working, yes, yes, really.
Perfect, perfect, sir. So I wish you all the best, sir. Thank you very much. So we have had a nice press conference with Mr. Tatarao. So really, it's a
Thank you, sir.
great thing. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.